My name is Clarence Tam. I'm an ophthalmologist, and I practice right here in Fond du Lac with St. Agnes Hospital and the Fond du Lac Regional Clinic. Ophthalmology is the specialty of medical care for the eyes. As ophthalmologists, we take care of medical problems, but we also take care of surgical problems like cataracts, glaucoma. We treat things with lasers, surgeries, and also with medications. I had never planned on being a doctor. When I was in college, I had an Air Force ROTC scholarship, and my scholarship was for pilot and engineering. So when I graduated, I went to pilot training, and with 2 months before the end of graduation, I blew my ankle out playing volleyball. So that ended my flying career, and after I got out of the Air Force, I decided to go back to medical school to pursue a degree in medicine. And when I went to medical school, because of my engineering degree, I really kind of fell in love with the optics and the science behind ophthalmology. I also knew that there were things that we could do to make people's really change their lives literally overnight, such as with cataract surgery or with other lasers. And so that I thought that really suited my personality well, and that's really what made me be so interested in ophthalmology, and I really love it. Well, I decided to come down here to Fond du Lac to work because I saw this practice as a great opportunity to build upon something that over the years had really developed into a fine department for Agnesian healthcare. This part of Wisconsin is largely underserved in terms of eye care, and so I felt that if I came down here, I would be able to provide a service that was badly needed by the population, by the people of Fond du Lac. I think St. Agnes Hospital and Agnesian Healthcare has a philosophy of really caring for the patients first. That was something that I picked up during the interviews and speaking with a lot of the other doctors, where this patient first mentality, and business second mentality really appealed to me. I don't like the idea of having to turn patients away because of certain types of insurance. At Agnesian Healthcare, I'm confident that when patients need health care, they'll be allowed in to see me, and whoever's sitting in my chair will get equal treatment. Believe it or not, I like to curl. I've been curling for 6 years up at the Marshall Curling Club, and so now that I'm down here in Fond du Lac, I'm looking for a neo curling club to join. And I also like to travel with my family. In the summertime, I do some road biking, and I'm getting back into racquetball. The most rewarding thing that I do are the cataract surgeries, because I take people who over the years were starting to develop more and more eye problems. They were having problems driving or reading or even seeing the golf ball when they're golfing. And almost literally overnight, I can operate on them, and the next day they're seeing so much better, that it just makes a huge positive impact on their lives. And generally, they're just so happy the next day that it makes my job really fun.